Hello everybody, how are you my friends? And this time I'm gonna show you how you can replace the water pump in a Volvo with the engine D13, okay? The water pump is located in this side by the passenger side, so it's leaking. Normally this water pump has a hole, it's leaking from there, so pump is bad. And I'm gonna show you how you can do it, okay? Let's start it. The first thing we're gonna do, we're going to drain the coolant and make sure the engine is not hot. It gotta be cold, okay? Engine gotta be cold to do it because there's pressure and it's dangerous. Just be careful. So I'm gonna use this hose right here. This is the fitting to drain the coolant. If you don't have no tool like this one right here, there's a drain right there with the nice 16 with my fingers chose. With the nice 16 you can remove the little cap over there and you can drain the coolant from there. But with the right tool, I'm gonna show you from where I'm gonna do it right now, okay? Let's go, my friends. That fitting I'm gonna put it over there. You see the cap over there? I hope you can see. See the cap? I gotta remove it. And I'm gonna hook this fitting. I'm gonna put it like this and push, okay? Let's go. Drain the coolant. Okay, my friends. To do it easier, I'm gonna remove. I think I'm gonna need to remove the bumper. There's 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because I needed room. There's no room to get into the water pump, so I need to remove the bumper. It's not a big deal. It's easy to do it. 1, 2, 3 bolts to this side, and 1, 2, 3 bolts here on this side, and then we're gonna disconnect the harness. Okay, we gotta disconnect the harness. Make sure, I don't know what kind of harness you're gonna have, but we gotta remove the bumper to have more room and working more easy. Okay, my friend. Let me remove the bumper first. Okay, my friend, I already took it off these 3 bolts. I'm gonna show you how they come. This nut, these 2 bolts coming with this nut in the back, so they are like this. Okay, this nut going in the back, on the back. So we gotta remove these two bolts right here. They come in like that, and there's another passive bolt with the nut that goes here. Okay, so they come in like this. I put this bolt back just to make sure they are there, and you have it ready to remove this side on the bumper. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side and disconnect the harness. Okay, let's go to the driver's side. Okay, I already removed these 3 bolts with the nut in the back, like I told you. Now I'm gonna cut some zip tie there here to disconnect this harness. Okay. Okay, my friend, I disconnect these 2 wires. This one and this one is for both sizes. So now I can remove the bumper. I can pull it out. Okay. Look, you see right now I took it off the bumper, and I have a lot of room, and it's more easy to get into that fitting. And right now I'm draining the coolant right now. For myself, I think it's better to remove the bumper if you want to do it, because you have more room, more easy, and you work better, I think. Except to you guys. I remove the bumper and you can work more easy. Okay, let's go to the next. I'm gonna drain the coolant, and then I'm gonna go to the next step. Okay, let's go. Okay, right now we're gonna remove the water filter. It's good to do it, to do easier job, because for sure we're gonna need to remove this tensioner right here. So you see the tensioner, we're gonna remove it. So we're gonna remove the water filter first. Okay, water filter. Make sure to put a pan under, because the filter is gonna water coolant is gonna start coming out. Okay, put the pan under and then remove the water filter. All right, now like you see, I'm gonna use a 1/2 inch ratchet, long ratchet, with the extension like 6 inches. You want to put it right there. I hope you can see, okay? Brush it like this one, 1/2 inch with a 6 inches extension. I want to put it right there. Okay, hope you can see where it goes. And then we're gonna make it like when you lose a bolt, we're gonna put it like this to remove the belt, okay? I'm gonna remove the belt and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, right now I took off the belt. Next step, we're gonna remove this tensioner to make it easy work. I hope you can see. We're gonna remove this tensioner right here. There are 3 bolts with the socket number 10 behind it, and we're gonna remove it. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, just be careful when you take it off the ratchet. Be careful because there's tension by this tension. When you remove the ratchet, be careful. Okay. Now I want to take it off 3 bolts behind this tensioner with the socket number 10 to remove this tensioner right there. Now I took off the tensioner. I already took it off. Right here, you see there were 3 bolts in the back, and there's a guy. You gotta be careful. This is a guy to guide the tension when you put it back. Now I want to proceed to remove the bolt on the water pump, okay, after I took off this tensioner. Let's go, my friends. Okay, right now I took off the belt. Next step, we're gonna remove this tensioner to make it easy work. I hope you can see. We're gonna remove this tensioner right here. There are 3 bolts with the socket number 10 behind it, and we're gonna remove it, okay? I'll show you. Okay, just be careful when you take it off the ratchet. Be careful because there's tension by this tension. When you remove the ratchet, be careful, okay? Now I want to take it off 3 bolts behind this tensioner with the socket number 10 to remove this tensioner right there. Now I took off the tensioner. I already took it off. Right here, you see there were 3 bolts in the back, and there's a guy. You gotta be careful. This is a guy to guide the tension when you put it back. Now I want to proceed to remove the bolt on the water pump, okay, after I took off this tensioner. Let's go, my friend. Okay, my friend, the pump is gonna have a 6 bolt. Make sure to remove 6 bolt before you take it off. And the new bolt is gonna come on the new water pump kit. They're gonna come with a new bolt, but make sure you remove 6 bolt to remove the water pump out. Okay, my friend. I'm gonna remove the pump right now. Okay, my friend, I already took off the 5 bolt around the water pump, and the 6th one gonna be over there. If you see the wrench, I have a wrench. You gotta use a wrench, and I see number 10. The bolts are number 12. Okay, you gotta use a 212 socket, and this wrench I use to remove the last one. It's the only way. You cannot use a socket in the last bolt. Is below the pulley right here. You see, we gotta use a 12. If you got a ratchet wrench, it's better to use a ratchet wrench, okay, to remove this bolt, the last one. Okay, my friends, so I'm gonna remove the last bolt. So there are 6 with you need a 12 millimeter socket and a 12 millimeter ratchet wrench if you have one, okay, to remove the water pump. Let's go. Ahora metiendo ese motorcito, pero tengan mucho cuidado de no dañar. Nomás tienen que hacer así poquito por aquí en este rumbo de aquí, y le hacen prueba con cuidadito, y la pompa ya está lista para sacarse. Todo va para afuera, mis amigos. Nomás mucho cuidadito, ok. Acuérdense que ocupan, dije número 10, pero son 12 el dado que ocupan en la llave. Número 12 MM. Oh, I'm sorry, I was talking in Spanish. Okay, what I say, you gotta put the screwdriver, yes, and wobble little by little. Be careful, don't damage the water pump, and then just pull it. Okay, I'm sorry. And you need the socket number 12 millimeters and the wrench 12 to remove the water pump. Okay, my friends, let's go on. Let me take it off. I'm gonna put it out right now. My friend, don't waste time to try to take it out of the pump from this side. You gotta take it off from the bottom. Put it out from the bottom and bring it out from the bottom. Okay, you gotta remove it. Let me bring it out. It's coming, and it's right here. Okay, you see the gasket is very dry. You see in pieces. Gasket is bad too. Right, my friend, I have a new pump. I got it from Volvo. This is the part number. And I have a new pump right here inside. And I'm gonna tell you what you gotta do next. What you need to do. This one doesn't. This one, the new one, doesn't come with the pulley. So we need to remove this pulley with the second number 10. We're gonna remove this 5-bolt, and we wanna swap this pulley to the new one. Okay. And don't forget to put the new gasket. For sure coming in the kit. For sure it's coming right here. This kit coming in the kit with the new pump. Okay, we gotta put new pump. Okay, my friend. And then so after this, so you wanna do the same backward. You wanna do the same thing back when you put it back. This new pump. Okay. All right, my friend. Okay, with the socket number 10, we're gonna take it off all this bolt right here. Okay, there 5 volts, 3, 4, 5. And then it's easy to take it off, just like this, woggle it like this. But I gotta leave my phone and I'm gonna take it off. Let me swap this one, okay? I'm holding my phone and I cannot take it off. Okay, take it off 5-bolt. We're gonna take it off from here and we're gonna put it right here. Okay, we're gonna put the bolt 5. Gotta find the hole. Right there. Now put the 5-bolt. And we wanna torque him, okay? Let's go, my friend. And then the gasket, the new gasket is right here. We're gonna put the new gasket. We're gonna make sure they're coming with the new bolt right here. And this one you're gonna need a socket number 10 if you wanna put those. But you gotta make sure to clean good around where the pump is. I hope you can see. Make sure clean good, because if you see there are gasket particles there, so you gotta clean good. It's dirty, looks dirty. Make sure clean good. Now you're gonna have a leak. Okay, make sure you clean good around where you wanna put the water pump. Okay, my friend, I hope this video helped you something. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You wanna do everything backward, you know, same thing you did when you took it off. Do everything back. Okay, make sure clean, put the coolant back. Thank you very much to watch my video. God bless you. See you, my friend. Okay, my friend, one more thing I wanna tell you guys, to make sure that the belts are okay. Because these belts were really bad. They were bad. So make sure if the belts are bad, replace them. And check the tensioners, the pulleys. If they make noise, replace them too. No, you're gonna be in trouble. You're gonna have problems. So when you replace a pump, you can replace a belt. I replace the 2 belts and replace this tensioner, and I'm gonna show you the other tensioner I changed. I changed this new belt and I changed the tensioner. All they were making a lot of noise, a pulley, so it's good to replace them too. That's the last thing or advice I wanna give you. Okay, my friend? Take care. See you then. See you next video. Thank you to watch this video.